Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Sagittarius. This is for your daily energy, Sagittarius. This is for your career situation and this is for your love energy, and one card from the oracle guidance deck. So that is the general guidance. This is the card here, so we will leave it there. Let's start with the daily reading first, Sagittarius. So it's Page of Earth. So with this card in your situation today, guys, this may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation. You have that you are tasting success, Sagittarius, and you are getting that clear conviction that hard work really pays off in life. So all that efforts that you have made till now is beginning to manifest, and your dreams are beginning to come into reality, and you are seeing a start of a new project, or it may be a new relationship, and you are seeing success within reach, and you're happy for this phase in your life. So you have that ability to attract what you need today, and you simply feel happy for it. That is what I see with this card here, guys, Sagittarius. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. King of Air. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you have the talent to negotiate or deal with your situation skillfully in your career, and you know what you need to do, and based on your past experience, whatever you have learned in your situation, you are able to do things successfully in your career, and you're tasting success. So I see the energy with the previous card. It may be something to do with your career, guys. You are progressing in a very positive way, Sagittarius. Things are falling into place. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is your card for your relationship. Seven of Water. So with that card, it may be what you feel about this person, or what you that person may feel about you. So this is the time, maybe for some of you, you may have your certain intuitions about this person, something pointing you in a particular way. So if you have a good intuition about this person, you can go for this connection, guys. But if something is pointing you the other way, you have to be open to that too. So if it is pointing the other direction, so you have to listen to that intuition, guys. You have to remain flexible and open today. That is what I see with this card here, guys, for your relationship. So you are open to this person, open to this connection. You are just waiting for this person, heart and soul open to this person, open for their love. That is what I see with this card, Sagittarius. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Never ending story. So with this card in your situation today, you may have something telling you about what happened in your past. Your mind telling you what was your past in your relationship or in your work, criticizing you again and again and wounding your ego. So you have to have that understanding, guys. If you want to move forward, you have to stop telling these stories about that bad memories of the past, something that has hurt you. You need to give that up, forgive yourself or forgive the people concerned for in that connection or the reason for this hurt. So you need to forgive them, forget about it and move on and tell you a new story, something positive about the dreams that you want to manifest in life, guys. So that is what this oracle guidance is about. So all that past sad stories that you tell about yourself, you need to stop that right away. That is the oracle guidance here if you want to reach success and happiness. When you do that, you will stop that blame game and you will stop that drama and you will tell your successful story someday. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that's the reading. Sagittarius, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.